Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can close your store at Shopify. First things first, we have to log into our Shopify account and proceed to our workspace. Once we're in here, we want to go and start at the bottom left part of our sidebar at settings, and we want to go to plan. As you can see, it's in the middle column. So let's go with the plan. At the moment, I can't really show you how it's done because my plan is just a trial, but at my paid account, you have three options: to pause it and close it, or postpone the plan. If you pause the plan, you can basically get a discount to running your shop and come back after, for example, your vacation. And if you want to close it or cancel it, just go for cancel trial at my option. So that's when you go as a cancel trial, and you're basically finished with your shop. You can always get back, and I believe they are storing the information for 2 years. Then you can take a break and come back, and your informations will be still there. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.